How to add friends in Call of Duty Mobile. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the game on a device. Now wait for some time until the game loads on a home screen. Now tap on the cross icon. Now simply go back. Now tap on the friends icon at the top right section of your screen. Now simply tap on add friends tab. Now tap on the search bar. Type the name to search for your friend. Now simply tap on the search button to search for your friend. Now tap on the request button. Now enter the message for the request. Now tap on confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.